Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attending in my presentation about exploration of new candidate compounds from Zizipus-Pina, Christi L. Diff, and Cyclones-Linguistrin as main protease inhibitor of SARS-CoV-2 using molecular docking. This research was conducted by the research team at Pancasila University at the Faculty of Pharmacy, which consists of Novianti, Utami Sabilawati, Esti Mulasari, and Waharno Sumarena. First of all, thanks for Kemeristek Brain for funding this research. Thank you also to the committee who gave us the opportunity to share the research results, hoping you all in a good, healthy, and successfully. This research is motivated by the COVID-19 pandemic. This is caused by the coronavirus have become a concern in early 2020. Coronavirus disease are a new type of virus that is included in SARS-CoV-2 group. Our researchers are trying to solve the problem, especially finding new drug compounds as anti-COVID-19. In discovering new drugs, we need to pay attention to the mechanism by which viruses can enter and develop in our body. One of the mechanisms of SARS-CoV-2 inhibition is through protease receptor inhibition. The purpose of this research was aimed at exploration of new candidate compounds from Zizipus-Pina, Christi L. Diff, and Cyclones-Linguistrin as a main protease enzyme of SARS-CoV-2 using molecular docking. The method used is molecular docking, which can predict inhibitory activity and the bound form. Darunavir is used as a positive control comparison to see the strength of the affinity of the test compound against the protease receptor with the code PDB of 5R7Y. Inhibitory activity against the main protease receptor is proven by a docking score that is more negative than the native ligand of the receptor. Here we look at the 27 compounds in Zizipus-Pina Christi and 26 compounds from Strychnos lucida. We use Darunavir as a comparator of positive control antivirus. This graphic illustrated the research method. To achieve the research objectives, the initial step is to create a visual structure of the test compound comparison and native ligand. The interaction between ligand and protein in this study use protein structure which can be downloaded in protein data bank. The native ligand that have been prepared and then optimized for protein crystal structure using Planck's program to obtain score. The best score is selected and then stored in the form of MOL2 file. The amount of RMS deposits of the optimization result with reference to the experimental result or protein crystal structure is calculated with Yesara program. From the three files obtained from protein preparation procedure, docking is then performed using Planck's program. This value will be compared with the best score of comparator compound ligand. This docking result file will be visualized and interpreted to determine the interaction that occur using PyMol application. Okay, we are going to the result. There is an interaction between protease inhibitor and its unique ligand, namely GFM, and 2-pentylethyl methasulfonamide in the receptors used. In molecular docking, there are 10 replications with 10 conformations to find and determine the lowest amount of energy. The molecular docking with RMSD of less than 2 Armstrong aims that the position of ligand that binds to the active site of protein does not move too far, since the conversion from 2 Armstrong. The range size is equal of 0.2 nanometers correspond to the size range of an atom's diameter, which is about 0.1 nanometer. Here we are looking the various crystal structure of COVID-19 main protease as a receptor in this research. From this table, we can see the best receptor main protease was 5R7Y because the molecular docking with RMSD of less than 2 Armstrong. Darunavir is used as a positive control in this study, since the antiviral mechanism to be tested was pursued to the activity of Darunavir as protease inhibitor. GMP-LP score of docking score of Darunavir is smaller than native ligand. GMP-LP score soft gives free energy, in which the smaller the delta energy value of the ligand receptor interaction, the more safe it would be. It means darunavir has a strong affinity in inhibiting the main protease and can be used as comparator. In Ziziphus-Pina Christi LDIF, we are explored 27 compounds. There are 4 of the 27 compounds contained in Ziziphus-Pina Christi LDIF had a smaller score than the positive control. These compounds are jubanin B, jubanin C, ambifin E, and ambifin H. They are alkaloid peptides found in Arabic lot 3 or Ziziphus-Pina Christi LDIF. From the picture in this slide, we can see that jubanin C has the strongest activity in inhibiting the SARS-CoV-2 protease receptor. In cyclolinguistrine, we explored 26 compounds. There are 16 compounds showing active, since the score is smaller than the native ligand. However, there are no compounds derived from snakewort or cyclolinguistrine showed stronger activity than the comparator. Compounds visualization at the binding site is depicted in third-dimensional or 3D form, so that it can be seen that the amino acids involved in the affinity of active compound with SARS-CoV-2 protease enzyme, and also can determine hydrogen bond distance in Armstrong unit between the candidate drug compounds and amino acid existing in SARS-CoV-2 enzyme protease receptor. Amino acid residue obtained in 5R7Y receptor binding to compounds of Ziziphus-Pina Christi are threonine 25, glutamine 189, asparagine 142, glutamic acid 166, and glycine 143. These are 3D structures of compounds and receptor. These amino acids are also found in amino acid at 5R7Y on PDB database website. Thus, it can be concluded that the amino acid in the receptor are compatible. The conclusion of this research is 4 compounds contained in the Ziziphus-Pina Christi LDIF showed a potential activity as main protease inhibitor of SARS-CoV-2, while no one of compounds derived from strychnos-linguistrine showed a strongest activity than the comparator. The alkaloid of jubanin C is in Ziziphus-Pina Christi LDIF has the strongest activity in inhibiting the SARS-CoV-2 protease receptor. Ziziphus-Pina Christi LDIF can be developed as candidate for traditional medicine for SARS-CoV-2 antiviral through a complete test both in vitro and in vivo. Finally, we are thank you for your time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.